It's time.
Yep,
Thank God for action buildings.
I was skeptical.
As expected.
Yeah. But when I went to their really cool website, I got really excited.
And now that it's here,
It's fantastic.
let's do this. So adorable.
And practical. The 12-inch ventilator fan with a thermostat is genius.
It's like we have our own botanical garden.
The walls and roof frames are made using 18-gauge G90 galvanized steel with optional Trex flooring that's waterproof.
I've never seen you this excited.
It was delivered this way.
No greenhouse in a box for us.
And the website made it so easy to order online.